Hello everybody, just been working on my CL500 w215 model. So basically I've taken out the shifter because it's kept getting stuck in park. So basically I've managed to take out the dreaded broken lever that gets out of that park situation. So I'll remove that for the time being until I get a new ESM module. So basically what you do, you take all this stuff out. It's a pretty simple job, to be honest. Once you get around to it, it's easy. I'll show you a video later probably how to, when I'm fixing it back on, where to get the screws out and how to take it out. Anyway, to take this out, usually a hex screw here, just situated here. Amateur video man. One here, one there. Take it out with a H5 hex screw, hex bit. Take this bit off here. So if your keys get stuck in park, take this thing off here, lift it up, turn it, pull it. Okay. So if your keys get stuck in park, see this little button here? Press it in and your keys will release. Okay? That's a little note there for you. Put this back in. Actually, let me show you. This part here. So basically when you take this out, just pull it towards you, towards the driver's side. Take it out. You should see that part there. This part here, okay, just put it towards you and it'll come out. Okay.
I put my book bag.
Oh, okay, good.
Well, I want to go, that's why.
Okay.
How about we go? What?
Screw it in. Okay, now I'm going to screw these screws in now. See here. So all these three screws need to come up. Screw it in. Okay, do that. Okay guys, basically screwed it all in now. Screwed this in, that in, that in. Basically everything has to come out. Console there has to come out. This thing gets into the way, the ventilation pipe or whatever you want to call it, okay? These you have to unclip out of there. Armrest has to come out as well, okay? So I just lifted it up towards the sunroof, as you can see. Okay, so basically all this comes out and it's pretty simple. Once you do it once, that's it. Second nature. Okay guys, hope this helps. I'm going to do some, video when I'm installing everything back together. Okay.